everyone, this is Gina. Today I'm going to show you the April box for the Potomac Bead subscription, Best Bead box, and this is the XL box. And let's go ahead and look inside and see. So, with the Potomac Best Bead box, they have two of them. One's XL and one is just the regular Best Bead box. This is XL, and you get several patterns to do and a bunch of extra stuff in the XL box. In the Best Bead box, you get the same stuff, but not quite as much. So, let's go ahead and look and see what we've got. So, in this one, we're going to start with, it just tells you a little bit about the theme of the box, and this one is Spring Blooms. Soft, gentle rains awaken warming earth, tiny buds of pink and purple join shoots of green, reaching from soil towards the sun. Fresh breezes dance through flowering trees. Spring blooms all around us in this month's subscription box. So, this is what you get. And then it tells you basically what you get inside of the box. And then you will get a couple of patterns. So this one is geisha earrings. And it has everything you're going to need for this particular pattern right here. And then it has all the instructions on the inside written out very nicely. And that's the first pattern. The second one is ocean flower earrings. And again, everything you'll need here. The pattern on the inside. And the back always shows who designed the piece. And then we've got a forget-me-not bracelet pattern, materials. Of course, pattern. And then about the artist who designed it. And then we have all the stuff inside this box. I'm just going to pull this stuff out. And it looks like they're grouped up by patterns this now. So well, that's nice. So they're kind of put together so you can figure out what is what here. So I think that's what's going on here. So let me see. I'm going to go ahead and just lay this stuff out so that we can see it clearly, and then we'll go through each one. Okay, first of all, here is the first pattern, the geisha earrings, and then the ocean flower earrings, and I'm going to show you what you get to do these two patterns. So you get the oval dual gunmetal beads here, and these you glue on little flat backs. So these are really cool. So let me get you close. And they have two holes in them. And then you can just put on your flat backs. And mine are oval flat backs, 6x8 millimeter. It doesn't tell me what color they are, but they look kind of a golden champagne-y color. They're pretty. And then we can go ahead and open these and see how shiny they are. And that's what those look like. And get them to lay out nice. That's what those look like. And then we've got some Eva beads in jet. So these are dual beads that have two holes in them, and they're V or A shaped. Those are always fun to play with. And then we've got a earring finding, little post finding that has a flower on it, really cute. Those are really cute with the little backs. And this, of course, all goes with this particular pattern. Or you could take the beads and the findings and make your own thing. You don't have to follow the patterns, but you have everything you need for that. Here are some 2mm champagne AB round crystals. And I'm not going to take them out. They're really tiny, but that's what these look like to go with that particular pattern. And then here's some Miyuki seed beads, and this is a 15-0, and it's gray Ceylon. And that's for that particular pattern. And then for the geisha earrings, we've got some gold, galvanized gold Miyuki, and this is a 15-0. And then we've got some Miyuki Delica 11-0. It doesn't tell me what color it is, but it's this really nice kind of tealy, greeny color. And then we've got some dome beads, 12 by 7 millimeter. And these are actually pretty cool. I like these. I was thinking about using these in something I was designing yesterday. Maybe I'll do that. I probably won't use the patterns. I never do. But the beads themselves I'll make something with. I really like these beads. These are cool. And then we've got some check pearls, 2 millimeter, and these are really tiny, so I'm going to leave them in here and show them to you. 2 millimeter pearls. Look at how little those little guys are. They're really cute, though. Sometimes you just need a really tiny bead, and having them in a pearl like this, that's really cute. I really like that. And then some ear wires, of course, and there's wire guardians and backs in here to go with that particular pattern. And then we've got this bag here. It has all kinds of stuff in it too. Some extras, and we've got a third pattern here. And I'm not sure if the third pattern, I'll have to check and make sure, but I don't know if the third pattern is just an extra pattern or if it's actually got everything in it to make it, because I do not see all the stuff that it takes to make this third pattern. I think this might just be the extras, and the pattern is an extra too that you can use with your own beads. There are some things in here you could use with it, but it doesn't have the cut bead. There's several things that I don't see. So I am thinking that the pattern is just extra, and then these are just the extra beads that come with the XL box, because the regular box comes with these two patterns. So let's go ahead and look and see what we've got in these extra ones. So I've got some check round, I think they're fire polish, 6 millimeter, and that would work with that pattern there. I believe that, but there just doesn't seem to be enough to actually make that bracelet. So maybe I'm guessing that there's not enough to make that bracelet pattern. And then we've got the leaf beads here. These are really pretty. These are check leaves, 12 by 7 millimeter. These are really pretty. These have lots of nice colors in them. Those are nice. Freshwater pearls. And that's what those look like. Oops, and I just threw them everywhere. And then we've got a pewter, it says living bra. I think it's branch. So there is a nice little pendant piece that you could use for a focal. That's a nice little piece. Then we have some flower daisy charms. These are cute. These are really cute. And they're double-sided, so that's really nice. And I really like to use a lot of charms on my little bracelets and stuff that I make. Don't often make them on my channel, but I like to have a lot of little charms on hand. And then here's some Hawaiian flowers, 12 millimeter. And that's what those look like. Color, I don't really like that color, but they're really cool beads. They feel nice in your hand. And then we have a 3-strand push clasp. Those are nice to have. Especially if you're making a wide piece, it's really nice to have one of these on hand. Okay, well. Geez, Gina. Maybe you should do this. No. Okay. There we go. Push it down, slide it in there like that. Aha! I'm not very smart sometimes. But there is a nice little push clasp. It's really pretty too. And it's a rose gold color. Okay. And then we've got some glass round 6mm. Those are really pretty. They're like a drook. They are a drook basically. And get these in here. And then we've got some pellet beads, and they're just the really pretty white color, pearlized. And then we've got some Potomac Company Briolets, Alexandrite AB. Let's look at these. It's always nice to get a briolet. Those are pretty. Look at the AB sparkle on there. Nice. Those are really pretty. I like those. And then we've got a glass cat cabochon, 10 by 14mm. A bunch of little nice things to play with in this box. It's a little tiny cat. Like, get you close. Huh, it's kind of cute. Okay, so that is what's in the Potomac Best Bead Box XL this month. And if you want one, go to PotomacBeads.com and check out the 2 different subscriptions they have. Decide which one you would like. I will put my code if you want a discount, if you're a first-time subscriber, in the caption, and I will also put a link and the coupon code in the description box below so that you can take advantage of that if you would like. And this is what's in the box this month. All this stuff. Back up a little bit so you can see. And there you have it. Bye-bye.